Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. I am decaling my common planner, my 2024 common planner. FYI, Nico's here, so Mickey Mouse is in the background, but let's get started. If you don't like watching these kind of videos, I'm so sorry, but here we go. Alright guys, so here is my decals that I have chosen for 2024. I love the fall. And let's see. So clearly this is smaller. I've never last year was the first year I decaled my planner, and that was the Hobonichi. You guys see that in every single video if you watch those videos. And I want to say before then, I think I used oil paint and I painted on mine and scribbled or left it blank, but they were like, the first decal was actually last year on the Hobonichi. So because 2024 seems to be gonna be my tough year, I put not today Satan, not today. So you guys already know my hubby had a stroke about 3 months ago, so it seems like, you know, everything is a test, right? So we're gonna put not today Satan in this one, and I want to say I do want to put a leaf here also, and I wanted to do maybe do I want to do you first? Do you? Or I think you want somewhere down here. Yeah. So we have enough space. I still want some of the brown or the coffee or the whatever color this is. Caramel. I think it's caramel actually to show. So alright. I'm not too OCD about my stuff. So even if it is a little crooked, I'm alright with that. And so like I was saying, hubby had a stroke. We're still dealing with that. He goes to, actually he's in therapy right now. He goes to therapy every single day. He takes OT therapy. So that's occupational therapy for those who don't know the lingo. I didn't know the lingo either, so I don't blame you. And PT was his, I think, physical therapy, and then speech, because he clearly has a little bit of speech issue, sort of swallowing issue going on as well. And it's been tough. It's been tough. I did do a video on my garden, so it's kind of hard to tell who's here from what, right? So I got videos from my garden, homesteading video kind of thing with the garden and stuff, and I have clearly my videos for people who love this kind of stuff, and I also have videos of budgeting. So and makeup from like back in the day. Make you laugh, I actually stopped doing those because I'm pretty content with my makeup. And it seemed like I was doing it every single time, so I thought it was kind of, you know, weird to just keep recording the same thing. But those who watch my makeup videos know that I am a Bare Minerals lover, and that's what I'm going to continue to be. So I like the sunrise on this. So nothing ever changes, right? I never brought like different kinds of makeup, and because if not I would break out. So I was not about to put my face through that and my beautiful skin. So my videos were all mostly Bare Minerals and Avon, because I still do actually. Well, I buy my stuff from Avon. My skincare comes from Avon and that kind of stuff. So of course I supported that, and that's what my makeup channel was really about. Well, my makeup videos were about, but it got pretty the same, like pretty much the same. So I did not want to continue to keep doing the same videos over and over and over. So I think I haven't done a makeup video in a very long time, and it got more into gardening, so I did more of those kind of videos because I love my garden and my homesteading, because eventually we will be leaving to Tennessee. We did buy our 10 acres and the house is being built. It's almost done actually. So we know for sure that will be our life eventually. So it was that kind of videos, of course, about my health, because I'm not a healthy person either. So it was like about my diabetes, trying to eat right, but girl, if you know me, I tried a few things, but it didn't work out for me. So I want to say I tried all the diets in the world. I mean, at least I try it, and I try it for a couple of, I mean, I have my diabetes sort of in control with all the crap of medicines that I take, but I was really trying to do my best and not trying to have any medication, but that's impossible. I mean, I'm sure it's possible, seriously, but for me, it is not possible. Hold on. Alright, I've been holding this sticker for like 10 minutes. That was Mr. Campbell's doctor. We need to get his prescriptions in order. And then of course, since I had to put it on, this is not completely straight. So I'm gonna have to trim a little bit here, but I'm alright with that. So, whew, now I don't even remember what I was telling you guys. So, clearly, this is a struggle, people. This is a struggle. So if you guys never been through a loved one or anyone who has had a stroke, listen, it's no joke. Now it's Bella. Seriously? Seriously, people. Seriously. She's supposed to be in school. She really called me from school to find out what she was having, to go on the fridge and look what she was having for lunch. Are you kidding me? You're in school right now. Why can't you just go and figure out what you're having for lunch? Kids, teenagers, Lord, what is this world coming to? Why can't I take this one out? So yes, hubby, stroke. So yeah, I mean, it's been hard. I really want this sticker on and I'm struggling with it. This is some good sticker, let me tell you. So it's been a struggle, people. It's been a struggle. What else did I want to tell you? I also brought, make you laugh, we also got, should I put a leaf? I really want to put the dog. No, I definitely want my coffee cup, that's for sure. I also brought, the cover for this. That's why I'm putting this stuff on there. I don't know if this stuff would totally last without the cover on it. Mine's lasted last year from my Hobonichi because I did have the clear cover over it, and I also use another cover over the covers. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, I do want this cup somewhere around here. Let's put it right there. And I think that's why they last a very long time, right? Because of the cover. I definitely do not want to cheat on my dog that passed away, Nina, but the next dog I get, if I get one, because we're still debating. My first and only love will always be Nina. So if I ever do decide to cheat on her and get me a different dog, I definitely love the canine dogs. They're so cute. They're so loyal, cute, adorable. And I want to say the best dogs probably, except for Nina. Nina was the best dog I ever had. There we go. Maybe I should have went up some more. No, because I want to go somewhere around here. Yeah, actually, let's see if I can. So I would totally get a canine Can I retake this out? Ugh. Come on, Essie. Get it together, bro. Is it gonna come off? Nope, let's leave it alone before it breaks. And let's see, what else? What else? So I brought the cover for this. It's a clear cover, so you should be able to see all my beautiful stickers on it. I didn't want to cover any of the foil because I think that is so beautiful. So definitely not covering any of the foil. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. It seems like every time I hit record, I get interrupted. This is why I can never do videos all the time. I feel like it never fails. Never fails. All the time. All the time. It's either the kids interrupting, somebody calling. So check it out. Isn't it so pretty? I love it. So excited. I can't wait for 2024. So let's go through the rest of the stuff. I also brought a sticker that's supposed to say 2024, but these, I don't even know why I purchased it, because these calendars got 2024 in every direction that you can possibly. Like if I put it in my bookshelf like that, it has it here. If I'm looking at it straight up, it has it right here. So maybe I'll put it in the back somewhere because it's not here, but I will use it because clearly it's 2024. So now let's see if we can put the liner on. So here's the liner. I'm not gonna bore you with this because I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, that was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Let's laugh at me. Let's all laugh together. Actually, it fits really comfortable. I'm so glad. Comfortable. And because I do so many things in my planners, I'm pretty sure it's gonna bulk up. I still have more tabs coming in, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna use the rest of those tabs, but next in my life. So besides that, in January, dun, 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 when I do start, when I was buying this, God spoke to me. I know it's kind of weird, but like a couple of weeks ago, I did a video maybe about a month ago on my channel, clearly, and I was talking about how God throws us lemons, and we're supposed to make sweet lemonade, not bitter lemonade. And guess what I saw? Bam! I know, it's so cute. Look, it has lemons. Look, lemons. So this is the Sterling Ink Kids, right? And I don't know what month the lemon was from. I think November. No, I don't think it's November. So I had to. I know, clearly I didn't have to, but I did. I had to. So of course, while I was in there, if you don't know about Sterling Ink, here's all her information. You should go check her out. Check her out. Somebody's here. And it was clearly not November. I don't know what month it was from. I'm sorry. Oh, August of 2022. She must have did a kit for November. And it was lemons. Yes. Alright, guys. So, yes, it has lemons. Look, I got lemon stickers. Oh. So, this was from August of 2022. Clearly, she still sells all her kits. They are available on her website to still purchase, even though they're from 2022. And I thought this would be perfect to start my January. So I know January probably has nothing to do with lemons, but it does for us because God has given us a lemon and we're going to make sweet lemonade. And what a perfect way to start my new year in January 2022. So thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. Nico is trying to kill himself over there. So let me see you guys later. Bye.